Hi, boys and girls. Today for phonics, we're going to revisit Tricky Y the robber guy. Remember, he steals the sounds of E and I. He has the letter Y on his shirt, and in his little green bag, it looks like he has I's and E's inside of it. Yesterday, we had seen this picture of the fly. And we were listening for words and trying to figure out if we heard I's or E's at the end of them. Fly, when you spell it, really does have a Y, but we hear the I sound. Fly, cry, dry, spy. All of those have the I sound that he has stolen. But then when we look at the words of bunny, puppy, sunny, happy, we hear the E sound at the end. They are spelt with the Y, but that's because Tricky Y the robber guy has stolen the E's from the end, the sounds of E's. So we are going to do a sort today instead of Mrs. Tierney. I'm going to move myself up here for a minute. Instead of me doing this on the whiteboard, I want you to try to help me do the sorts. We're going to look at all 10 of these pictures down here at the bottom, and we're going to figure out if we hear Tricky Y as in bun E, it'll go on this side. Otherwise, Tricky Y as in fly will go on this side. So I's and E's. And I'll tell you what the pictures are of. I'm going to start over on this side just so that way I can lower my picture here. Here's a picture of the sky. Sky. Do you think that's going to go on the fly column or the bunny? Sky, fly, sky, bunny. I think I heard a rhyme when I did that. If you said I as in fly, you got it. Now let's try this cute little puppy. Puppy, puppy, fly, puppy, bunny. What's your guess? If you guessed, he's not moving. If you guessed bunny, you got it right. And here's one more, sunny. Sunny, fly, sunny, bunny. I think I heard another rhyme. If you said sunny, bunny, you got it. There, now Mrs. Tierney can go for a little ride in the elevator back downstairs. This girl is happy. Happy. Happy fly, happy bunny. Say it to yourself once. What's your guess? Happy sunny. And this girl's drying her hair. Dry, dry, dry fly, dry bunny. Say them to yourself. If you said dry fly, you got it. Okay, now we're on our last one. Oh, this poor baby with one tooth is crying, so cry. Cry, fly, cry, bunny. Say it to yourself and you will hear a rhyme. Cry, fly. Good job. Ooh, here's a spy. Spy, bunny, spy, fly. Spy, fly. This right here is called holly. Holly, fly, holly, bunny. Ooh, that one's a little bit more tricky. Say it to yourself. Holly, bunny, holly, fly. If you did holly, bunny, you got it. Now, this little teddy bear is shy. Shy, shy, bunny, shy, fly. What do you think? Shy fly. And our very last one, this flower right here, is called a poppy. Poppy, fly, poppy, bunny. If you said bunny, you got it right. So listen to Mrs. Tierney say these pictures and see if you hear the E at the end. Holly, happy, sunny, puppy, poppy. I certainly heard the E's. Now when I say these, you should be able to hear the I's. Sky, dry, cry, spy, shy. Did you hear them all? Good job, my friends. This is what I would like you to do. In your notebook, take one page of paper. You can leave it in your notebook. And will you pick one of these words to write a sentence about? I'm going to count to 100 by tens. While I'm counting, you decide what picture you want to write about and try to do a nice detailed sentence. Don't forget your punctuation at the end. Don't forget to leave spaces between words. And most importantly, don't forget to start with an uppercase letter. Here are your choices: shy, spy, cry, dry, sky, poppy, puppy, sunny, happy, holly. Pick one and have some fun.